supposed to take me to tell her.
Say cheese macaroni ears. Oh shit. You got quiet.
My shit's gonna look like that.
Oh, and I'm gonna do this to your
my
shit.
feet's gonna look like
I'm gonna do this to your shit.
You're nasty.
I'm gonna drink your piss.
No, that's my piss.
No,
It's brown.
It's dark.
When I have choro, it kind of looks like
Are you recording?
Oh shit.
I'm gonna show you a famous sex move I do to girls. Ready?
Go.
How it goes. I get macaroni ears. Macaroni ears. That's just sample. Come on, pop.
Nah. It was your toe. Oh! You're sick. Why she had to learn? Oh, it's cheating now.
Like I got no magic.
You already knew that was gonna happen.
I did.
Cause I seen it like on. Tonight, we're gonna kill Taco Bell. And we're gonna get 5, 5, 5. And then to get rehired.
What?
Who sprayed that up my ass last time?
Gabriel.
Oh my god, I was so pissed. Cause it feels nasty and then you start to stink afterwards. Ugh.
Why is your arm sweaty right there?
Sprayed me.
Cause he's working out.
I didn't spray you right there. I sprayed you right here.
No.
Man, I'm fucking hungry.
It smells like food.
Oh man, I told him, I was like, really, I didn't know that, but I did.